In Microsoft Word, you can turn headings into a table of contents in seconds. Let me show you exactly how to do it. In my example, I've got 6 headings and I've got 3 subheadings. But at the moment, they're purely just headings that I've written into the document, but they haven't been styled correctly. The Word document doesn't actually know their headings. We do, and the person reading them probably does, but we have to inform the Word document that they're headings in order to have an automatic table of contents. So how do I do this? Well, we first need to stylize these headings. This is really easy to do. Click Home, and you need to find the Styles panel. We are going to be using in this tutorial Heading 1 and Heading 2, Heading and Subheading. I'm first going to highlight my headings, Introduction, Heading 2, Heading 3, select Heading 1. I'm going to do the same for 4 and 5 and 6. I'm now going to say that 3.1 is a Heading 2. Highlight that and select Heading 2. I'm going to do the same for 4.1 and 6.1. Now that you've applied a style to your headings, it's now time to generate your automatic table of contents. To do this is very easy. First, I'm going to identify where I want my table of contents to go. I'm going to put it here. Then you're going to select References, Table of Contents, and I'm going to use the built-in automatic table 1. I'm just going to select this. As you can see straight away, a table of contents has been generated where you place your cursor. It includes all the correct heading names, and it tells you automatically where they can be found on the document. If you hold down the Ctrl key, a little hand will appear. If you select this, it will take you to exactly that heading. In seconds, you have created an automatic and live table of contents that can help the reader navigate your long Word document. However, what if your heading names change? And what if they are in different pages and they move as you write more into your document? As you can see, heading 5 and 6 and 6.1 are now on page 3, but they haven't been updated on the table of contents. So how do I do this? Really easily. Select your table of contents and you're going to select Update Table. You can also do it up here. Select it once. Now, this is really important. You can update the page numbers only or update the entire table. I'll come to this in a minute. Select OK, and you'll notice now that it says 3 because they're on page 3. If, for example, you want to change the name of a heading or remove a heading entirely, you can do this. I'm going to remove 6.1. I'm going to change heading 6 to Conclusion. Now, you may have noticed that it has changed. It's no longer styled correctly. That's fine. We can click Home. I'm going to highlight Conclusion and click Heading. So now I need to go to my table of contents and click the Update table. And it should update the table of contents. As you can see, it has because there's no 6.1 anymore, and there is Conclusion on page 3. So to conclude, in order to have an automatic table of contents, you must apply styles to your headings. Once you've done this, creating a table of contents using references and table of contents and automatic table 1 or 2 is extremely simple. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future Microsoft Word tutorials. And if you want more step-by-step guides, visit wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.